You all asked for it. Part 6 of the vending machine incident. The vending machine has started being a little cranky.
Something starts grinding inside the machine. Snack coils twist loose like fingers. Cola cans split. Black fluid starts pouring into the tray. The machine rocks forward. The kid asks what we do. I shove him toward the fire escape. You scrit upward! He asks what I'm doing. Private emotional conversation with a vending machine. Apparently that sounded stupid.
Most things do when you say them out loud.
Machine lunges. Coil comes through the glass, misses my face, cuts the brick. Rude. Second coil. I snap 2 fingers. Whisper a little gutter spell Baba hates. It's not proper goblin magic. It's not proper anything magic. Cheap arcane trickster nonsense. My brand, my burden. For half a second. 4 of me. 1 dives left. 1 rolls right. 1 flips the machine off. 1 stands completely still with a smug little grin. The coil chose the smug one.
Good. Everyone does eventually.
I ran forward and jammed my knife into the coin slot. The machine screamed. Not beeped, screamed. From 3 floors up, someone yelled, "Some of us have work!" I shouted back, "Some of us have haunted snack problems, Pell!" A window opened. Mr. Pell leaned out, pale and sweaty, wearing a bathrobe that had seen 3 wars and lost all of them. Is it the vending machine? I glared up at him. Pell, did you buy your worst memory? Long silence. Then he said, very quietly, it had a coupon. I hate this building.